If f of x equals 3 cosine squared of 2x minus 3 sine squared of 2x, how many times is x equal to 5 in that interval? Well, it's 3 cosine squared 2x minus sine squared 2x. And that says that this is cosine of 4x by our cosine double angle formula. So how many times is x equal to 5? Well, this is actually a typo. If x equals 5, technically one time in that interval. The question that I meant to write was how many times is y equal to 5 in that interval? Actually the answer to that question is 0 times, because the amplitude is 3 and you're never going to get above 3 as a y coordinate. If it asked instead about how many times is like y equal to 1, well, that happens, let's see, the interval is 2 pi, the period here is pi over 2, so that means there are 4 periods that we're going through. And if it hits, so that looks like that, 2, 3, 4. And when we asked the red question, that was asking how many times does it hit here? When we asked this green question, it's saying how many times is it here? 8 times. So that would be 8. So for the question that I actually asked, it was a bad question and it happens once because x equals 5. If I asked y equals 5, then, well, that's outside the range. So, so this was the original question, the blue one, so it hits once. The red question is y equals 5, and that's never. And if I ask the green question, it goes through 4 periods, which is 8 times. So depending on how I change the question, it's different things.